Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Restorations and Repairs. Kind of a sad video I'm making right now. I am taking my little 1980 Volkswagen pickup truck on its final ride with me. And I'll be honest with you, it kind of hurts. Decided to sell the truck, found a buyer, and it's kind of a cool story, but I didn't really want to sell the truck, but I knew it was time to sell the truck. I can't keep things forever. I've been with this little girl since 2018 and did a lot of work. You've watched the series, engine rebuilds, body rebuild, everything on this fine little vehicle. And but it's time to move on to new projects. And I've got too many cars and got to focus on the new stuff and get rid of some of the old stuff. The cool part of this story is I sold it to a gentleman who he lives in Austria. And he comes here to the United States once a year, searches around for cool exotic cars and ships them back to Austria, where he's a mechanic as well. We had a nice conversation. He came up to the house and hung out for a while. So I'm driving it down to the shipping location for him. He's going to be putting it on a boat, I guess, to take overseas. And that's my story. I'm really sad, honestly. I mean, like it's like getting punched in the gut, but it's happening. So this is the final end of my part of the time that I have spent with my little rabbit here, my little pickup truck. But it's not the end of this car's story. And I think if I was going to sell it to anyone, the idea that it's going to go to a collector in Austria is probably the best place that it could go. I mean, a lot of these cars get chopped up, lowered. The stuff that people do to these things is it's sacrilege, if you ask me. This car had a lot of those things done to it, and I had to spend a lot of money to undo, and that's what made it a car that this gentleman was interested in. So I'm glad that it's going to a new home. I'm sad that it's leaving my home. I have driven this thing, other than a great adventure, the cross-country trip with it, I've put thousands and thousands and thousands of miles on it, both before and after the restoration. Take it to the dump, take it to work, take it anywhere that you can think of. I drove this thing, so it's been a heck of a good life. It's been a heck of a good ride, and I guess it's time to pass it along to somebody else. But I just wanted to share that with you. I'm going to lead off.
Yes, beautiful. And this is the new owner.
Go back to Austria.
Yeah. All right.
Goodbye, old friend. Good luck in Austria.